Hi, Max and German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I need to get rid of doors. I have a lot of doors. Big door sale. Any door, complete door with all attachments, $100. I got '09 Audi A4 doors, $100 for a complete door. I got a 13 EOS. This is not $100. This is a little more, but it's still cheap. $250 for a complete, well, $200 for an EOS door. 13 EOS. I got a 2011 Audi A3, 100 each. 100 each for the Audi A3 doors, complete doors. 2007 Passat wagon, 100 each. Complete doors. I got doors, a lot of Mark III, Mark IV, Mark V Volkswagen doors. I got Audi doors, B6, B7, B8 Audi doors. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. Big door sale. Most doors $100 each for complete doors. Volkswagen, a lot of Volkswagen Mark III, Mark IV, Mark V doors. 100 each for complete with everything on them doors. Some are a little bit more but still very cheap. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.